Dear partners, we are slowly moving towards a gradual removal of lockdown or some sector of economy. We have to continue to stay cautious, as our only way to succeed in fighting this disease is to focus on lives and livelihood today.
You know the world has changed and we need to grow to adapt to it. Many of your sub-dealers are in green and orange zones, and currently if you are in red zone and need to assist your buyers and sub-dealers, please reach out to us. We will support you.
What we have learned so far is people are going to come back very different. It's not going to be the same customer you left before the lockdown. We will have to deal with more compassionate and humanitarian requirements. It's going to be the businesses that are more humane that will win. Try and establish pickup and delivery support function in your business.
Every organization, irrespective of its size, will have to do testing, sanitation of the workplace, have a family doctor or nearest clinic phone number available at all times. Please reach out to us if you want to guide you with employee health and safety best practices which you can implement.
Please download the Arogya Setu app. Also teach your employees to download the same. Government has made it compulsory for public and private sector. It is the responsibility of the business owner to ensure that their employees are using the same.
We understand that to bring you back to strength, you need demand in the market. Stanley Black & Decker is trying its best to increase the demand through all marketing channels. We request you to set up your operations strongly.
These are tough times and we need to successfully come out of it together. We are now open for business and we look forward to partnering with you as always in getting back your businesses back to normalcy. Look forward to a stronger tomorrow. All the best.